Hey guys, and welcome back to another Kongsumer video. Today we are going to be talking about the Face Buff Energizing Scrub from Jack Black. Jack Black is one of Justin and I's favorite skincare brands. We both really like all of the products that we have tried. If you are interested in trying this Face Buff Energizing Scrub by Jack Black, I will put a link in the description. Also, if you are not subscribed, please click that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Now let's go ahead and take a quick look at the Jack Black's Face Buff Energizing Scrub. This product is known to be a pre-shave cleanser and facial scrub in one that exfoliates for an easier, closer shave. It has biodegradable scrubbing particles to help unclog pores, prevent ingrown hairs, and minimize shaving irritation. It also removes oil, dirt, and dead skin cells to leave a clear path for your blade. Now, obviously, I don't use it as a pre-shave cleanser. I use it as a regular cleanser to clean my face. I use this cleanser about 1 or 2 times a week. I love the peppermint in this product, and it gives you a cool and invigorating feeling that leaves your skin feeling nice and refreshed. I want to show you what this product looks like when you use it. So I have a bowl of water here, and I have some towels. Since I do have my makeup done, I am going to probably just wash the side of my face, my cheek area, so you can see what this product looks like when you actually wash your face with it. Now let me show you what this scrub looks like. I love that as soon as you open the lid, you can smell the peppermint. So let's go ahead and put some on my fingers. It looks like a thicker white lotion. The scrubbing particles in the scrub are a nice size. They aren't too fine. I like that the particles are larger in the scrub. That way I don't feel like I have to scrub my face really hard to make sure it's working. So let's go ahead and put this on so you can see what it looks like when you use it. So as you can see, as I'm working it into my skin, like I had mentioned before, it does not bubble whenever you put it on your face and work it in. It really feels, it's soft and smooth, and it almost feels like you are putting on a moisturizer. The granulars are a nice size. You don't have to really scrub your face to feel like it's exfoliating and you're getting the dead skin off. And it is almost instant about how you feel the cooling and refreshing feeling from the peppermint. I have to say that's probably my favorite part of the scrub is that feeling. So here is a close-up view of what it looks like on your face as you're using it. And even though it doesn't bubble, I still feel like it is extremely exfoliating and moisturizing. And I just can't say enough good stuff about this scrub. I absolutely love it. So I am going to go ahead and take this off. Now that I have the scrub wiped off my face feels nice and smooth. I really like the fact that I can still feel the cooling effect on my face even though I rinsed the scrub off. I would highly recommend this face buff from Jack Black. If you love the cooling feel and the smell of peppermint, you really need to try this face scrub. I love the way that my face feels after I use the scrub. If you are interested in trying this Face Buff Energizing Scrub from Jack Black, I will put a link in the description, or you can go to kongsumer.com/facebuff. Also, if you are not subscribed, please click that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.